there are several terms that change in meaning by adding a directional word. So 2 directional words I'm going to talk about here will be Atu and Mai. So Atu is going away and Mai is coming to you. So let's take the word Fatau, which means like buying and selling. So Fatau, I'll say, is like an exchange when something is being purchased. 2 words that we know would be buy and sell. So Fatau is going to be in between that. Buy, sell. So when you buy, you're getting something. It's coming to you, which would be Mai. It's coming to you. Mai. When you sell, the stuff is going away. So you're getting money, but the stuff is going away. Atu. So Fatau Mai is buying. Fatau Atu is selling. So olea o alui le fale oloa e Fatau Mai le mea ai mo le kameki. And Walmart is going to Fatau Atu le mea oloa yake au. Fa'aftai te le lava mo le awa noa, manui le aso.